G'day guys, so we've made the quarter pounders again. So this is a bit more, Jess, hang on. This is a bit more realistic than the last video. So it's the same exact thing, except we're using the burger cheese, okay, which is available at Woolworths and Coles. And we've heated the bread in the oven a little bit. Okay, we've used one piece of cheese. And it's the same as the previous video. So you've got the pickles, the onions that you squash down with water to kill them, and that's your quarter pounder. It's a lot more authentic. This Coles special curry sauce is very much like the old mild curry sauce from McDonald's, which a lot of people probably don't remember. It's a little bit over the top, but it's really close to the mild curry dipping sauce McDonald's used to have. And we're serving that like that. We're serving that like that. Make sure when you cut the rolls, you get them in the middle. So I missed one, and you do get that at Macca's as well, where they'll do that. But they normally would just chuck it out. We didn't this time. So always, after you make them, put them in the microwave. That's what I didn't mention in the last video. The other rolls were different. They wouldn't have responded that way, but that's what brings the rolls up. Even though you've warmed them up in the oven, also I've sprayed them with olive oil. So you can see the result of that. And you can put how many or how little pickles you like and push them down a bit. So refer to the previous video for the recipe. It's just beef, cheese, onions, pickles, American mustard and ketchup on a sesame seed bun and cheese. Hope that helps.